So next topic is compound machine. So compound machine, what is compound machine? Compound means combination. That means compound machine means combination of two or more simple machine. So what it does, what simple machine does? So simple machine reduces the effort required to do some useful work. So as compound machine is a combination of two or more simple machine, so what it can do? It can increase the speed of the work. So it can increase the efficiency of the work also. So with the help of compound machine, we can lift more amount of load by applying very less amount of effort. So compound machine is a combination of two or more simple machine, and using compound machine we can increase the speed and efficiency of the work compared to simple machine. So it can reduce the effort required to do some useful work compared to simple machine. That means we can lift more amount of load by applying very small amount of effort by using compound machine. So next topic is mechanical advantage. What this name tells us? So mechanical advantage means by using this simple machine, how much mechanically we get the advantage. That means how much it will reduce our input work. So basically it tells us how much we can get the reduction in input work. So how we express mechanical advantage? It is the ratio between load to be lifted and the effort to be applied. So we represent it as MA. So MA equal to W by P, where W equal to load to be lifted and P equal to effort to be applied. So obviously it will be in the terms of a number. So what will be this number? Greater than 1 or less than 1? So what simple machine does? With the help of simple machine we can lift very heavy amount of load compared to by applying very small amount of effort. So obviously this load will be always greater than this effort. So what will be this ratio? So it will be always greater than 1. So next important topic is velocity ratio. Velocity ratio is defined as the ratio between the distance moved by the effort to the distance moved by the load. So velocity ratio VR equal to y by x, where y equal to distance moved by the effort and x equal to distance moved by the load. So in this way also we can know. So velocity is what? Distance by. So as it is, velocity is distance by time. So for a fixed amount of time, for a given amount of time, we are comparing how much distance the effort has moved and how much distance the load has moved. So time is same. As the time is same, it got cancelled. So velocity ratio is the distance moved by the effort and the distance moved by the load. Next we will calculate. Next is input of the machine. What is the input of the machine? It means it is the work done on the machine. What is work done on the machine? It means it is the product of effort applied into distance moved by the effort. So what is this value? Effort is P and distance moved by the effort is Y. Next is the output of the machine. What is the output of the machine? How much work the machine produced? So it is the work done by the machine. So what is the work done by the machine? It is the product of load to be lifted into, that is the product of load to be lifted and the distance moved by the load. I'm sorry, here I have written the same thing. So what is the output? Output my handwriting is very bad. Output is W into X. So next we will write about the efficiency of the machine. So what is the efficiency of the machine? Efficiency is output by input. We write it as eta equal to output divided by input. So what is the output? I have already told you. Output is W into X. I'm sorry. What is the input? Input is P into Y. So this is the efficiency of the machine. So next we will find out the relation between efficiency of the machine and its mechanical advantage and velocity ratio. So what is eta? Eta equal to W into X divided by P into Y. So we will rearrange it. That means W by P divided by Y by X. What is W by T? P. That is the load to be lifted divided by effort applied. That is our mechanical advantage. And what is Y by X? Y by X is the distance moved by the effort divided by distance moved by the load, which is our velocity ratio. So what is eta? Eta is the ratio between mechanical advantage and velocity ratio. This formula is very important. So there are three formulas till now. Ma equal to W by P, VR equal to Y by X, and eta equal to mechanical advantage by velocity ratio. These three formulas are very important for your exam. So try to remember these formulas.